行することができます。ライトの調節でできますか。ここですね、飛行すると 100% の明るさまで点灯させることができます。すごい明るいですよね。本当に周りに光がないところでも。
Hello everyone, I'm here in a small expo for drones because this is one of the biggest technologies. It's growing a lot. There is a lot of development in the drone sector and have a lot of application. You can find some drones that could be used for search and rescue. Some also like in the in the civil engineering, so they can check buildings and also check the bridge. Also like it's used for agriculture and also in the communication. Sometimes you can use one drone to spread the Wi-Fi to help like spread the communication signals in an area where you cannot build towers, communication tower. So like I think the benefit of the drones that it's very cheap, very easy to use, and it's very safe compared to other like existing old field. That's why like I think this area will be growing a lot.